Hello, and welcome to myfinancesteacher.org. Let's have a quick look at what happened to my precious metals position yesterday. Unfortunately, although we see a relatively big green candle on GDXJ, my stop loss on GDXJ, which was at $43, as posted at myfinancesteacher.org earlier, was triggered, so I was actually thrown out of the market near the bottom of this candle. And since then, GDXJ recovered back up above $45. Luckily on GDX, my stop loss was slightly lower at 31.3, and I was not thrown out of my GDX position. So after this trigger on the GDXJ stop loss, my current position relating to precious metals is somewhere around 47%. So something like 10% of GDXJ allocation was sold through that stop loss. Now, am I panicking right now to buy back into GDXJ, given that we've actually seen quite a big green candle yesterday? No, let's have a look at gold itself. Gold, unfortunately, is continuing to go sideways within these kind of narrow Bollinger Bands, and we still have two possibilities for the short-term daily cycle in gold. One possibility is that the daily cycle did actually finish on the 5th of June, giving us a 35-day long short-term daily cycle. That would mean we're in a new cycle and we might see higher prices relatively soon. This scenario is probably going to be confirmed if we have a break above the recent highs at about 1746 and also the break above the Bollinger Bands. That would mean we still have a chance to see gold test that round number of 1800 within the ongoing intermediate cycle. If this were to happen, if we see gold breaking above the resistance at 1746 and breaking out of the Bollinger Bands, that's when I would decide to jump back into larger allocations in a range of gold-related assets, GDX, GDXJ, silver miners, and so on. Such a scenario would confirm that the short-term daily cycle did actually finish on the 5th of June. However, there is also another scenario where gold drops down to at least the support zone based on the lows on the 1st of May and the 5th of June, somewhere at about 1670. Possibly even lower, retracing a little bit closer to the 200-day moving average. If that were to happen over the next few days, then my stop loss on GDX, which is still at 31.3, would be triggered, and later on I would be looking for a better entry into precious metals related assets. And such a scenario would mean that the short-term daily cycle probably did not finish on the 5th of June, and we would probably get a short-term daily cycle duration of somewhere close to 1.5 to 2 months. That is the usual duration. If that were to happen, I'm also fine with that, with triggering the GDX stop loss, because that, I think, will give us a nice entry opportunity for short-term bounce in gold before it drops into the intermediate cycle low later on by the second half of summer. So, in general, with such sideways movement on gold, I'm still waiting to see what happens basically with around 47% allocation. That is all for now. Thank you for being a member at myfinancesteacher.org. I'm happy you are with us. Have a nice day and good luck in your trades.